subscribe the channel. Hello and welcome to English class. Dear kids, today we'll learn number names. Are you ready? Yes, very good. Let's begin. 1. O-N-E 1. The sun is 1. 1. O-N-E 1. I have one nose. 2. T-W-O 2. Bird has 2 wings. 2. T-W-O 2. I have 2 eyes. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Our flag has 3 colors. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. A fan has 3 plates. 4. F-O-U-R 4. A car has 4 wheels. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Table has 4 legs. 5. F-I-V-E 5. I have 5 fingers in a hand. 5. F-I-V-E 5. We have 5 sensory organs. 6. S-I-X 6. Insects have 6 legs. 6. S-I-X 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Rainbow has 7 colors. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. There are 7 days in a week. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Spider has 8 legs. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. There are 8 planets in the solar system. 9. N-I-N-E 9. This necklace has 9 beads. 9. N-I-N-E 9. I have 9 chocolates. 10. T-E-N 10. We have 10 toes. 10. T-E-N 10. I have 10 balloons. Count and say. 1. 1 apple. 1, 2. 2 apples. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples. And the last but not least, if you want more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Take care and be happy. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.